Today I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone 14 Pro Max with no IMEI number and no activation issue. So let's get started. First, I'll remove all the screws and disconnect the connectors. Then I will take out the logic board and remove the top shields. Now I'll place it on the preheating station to separate the two parts. Now I'll reball the baseband chip. Watch under the microscope to see how the reballing process is done. I'll apply a little paste and use the hot air gun with proper airflow to lift the chip. Now I'll apply paste on the chip socket and use the soldering iron to properly clean all the old solder. I'll repeat the same process using the soldering wick. Now, I'll properly clean the solder from the chip pins using the soldering iron and soldering wick. To reball the chip, I'll align the stencil on top and fill the holes with solder paste. Then I'll use the hot air gun to form the solder balls. Now I'll apply paste on the chip socket and carefully align the chip in place. Then I'll use airflow to solder it and secure the connection. Now I'll reball the sights on the signal board. First, I'll apply paste all over the side, then use the soldering iron to form the solder balls. Now I'll place the two parts of the logic board on the preheating station to join them together. Then I'll put back the rubber covers. Now I'll place the logic board back into the phone and reconnect all the connectors. Then I'll connect the display connector and power on the phone.
Now I'll press the power button and the volume up button and then connect the USB cable.
As you can see, the serial number and IMEI are all showing correctly. Finally, the phone is activated. Thank you.